Now see first question. Based on sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression, that is based on the formula Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d, which we can also write for solving the problem in terms of first term and last term. So we see first example from practice set 3.3. See the question first. First term and common difference of an arithmetic progression are 6 and 3 respectively. Find S27. So value of a equals to 6 is given, value of d equals to 3 is given, and we have to find sum of first 27 terms of an arithmetic progression. So for that we have to fill up these boxes. So we write the procedure first, then we fill these boxes. So first we write the formula. So in answer we write given part a equals to 6, common difference d equals to 3, and to find S27, from this we say n equals to 27. So by using the sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression is, so first we write the formula. So Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we substitute the values. So we substitute n as 27. So in left hand side we get S27 equals to, in right hand side we replace this n by 27. So we get 27 by 2 in bracket. Here we replace this a by 6. So we get 2 into 6 plus we replace this n by 27. So we write 27 minus 1, and we replace this d by 3. Now we calculate these values. 2 into 6 we write 12 here. Then 27 minus 1 we write 26, and 3 as it is. This 26 with 3, so we get 26 3s are 78. So we add these 12 with 78, we get 90. So we divide this 90 by 2, so we get 45 into 27. So we write multiplication of this 27 into 45, which is 1215. So we fill up these boxes. So in first box, this is formula for sum of nth terms of arithmetic progression. So we replace this first box by twice a. In this second box we substitute the value of n, substitute the value of this a, substitute the value of n, and value of d, which is 3. So in second box we fill up 3. Now we have come to this step, 27 by 2 into. So in box we get 12 plus 78, which is 90. So we fill up this third box with 90, and this last 27 into 45, which is 1245. Now see question number second. Find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. So in answer we write list of first 123 even natural number is. So natural number we required, but we required sum of first 123 even natural numbers. So we start with 2. So 2 is the first even natural number, then next 4 is the second even natural number, then next is the 6, and so on. So we write here, where first term t1 is a, which is equals to 2, second term t2, which is equals to 4, third term t3, which is equals to 6. So from these three terms we can find the common difference. So we write here, thus common difference d equals to t2 minus t1. So value of t2 we can replace by 4, value of t1 we replace by 2. So 4 minus 2, or you can write t3 minus t2. So here we substitute the value of t3 and t2, which is 6 minus 4, you can replace the value of t2 minus t1. So 4 minus 2, again you get the value as 2. So we get d equals to 2 and n is given because we have to find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. So we take n equals to 123. So we use the formula. So we write here, by using sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression is. So first we write the formula here. Sn equals to n by 2 twice a plus n minus 1 into d. So we know that n is number of terms, a is the first term, d is the common difference, and Sn is sum of n terms. So we substitute the values. So we write here, thus substituting given values in formula, we can find the value of Sn. So we have n equals to 123. So we find here Sn equals to, we replace this n as 123 by 2. Then we replace this a by 2. So we write here 2 into 2 plus n by 123. So n minus 1 we replace as 123 minus 1 into d. So value of d is 2 here. So we write here 2 into 2 4. This 123 minus 1, which is 122, and this 2 as it is. Now in next step we multiply this 122 with 2. So we get 244. Now add this 244 with this 4. So in next step we get 244 plus 4, which is 248. Now divide 248 by 2. So we get 122 and this 123 as it is. Now when we multiply 123 with 122, we get 15,252 as the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. Now see question number 3rd. Find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. So first we write even numbers between 1 to 350. So we write in answer as list of even natural numbers between 1 to 350 is. So we start with 2. So first even number is 2, then next even number is 4, then next even number is 6, and before 350 even number is 348. So we write the natural numbers. These natural numbers are in arithmetic progression, where first term t1 equals to a equals to 2, second term t2 equals to 4, third term t3 equals to 6. Thus common difference d equals to t2 minus t1, or you can write t3 minus t2. So you can take any value, you get the common difference same, because these numbers are in arithmetic progressions. So we get here d equals to 2, tn equals to 348, because this is last term of this arithmetic progression. So we consider this as nth term. So tn equals to 348. So we write here a reason why we take 2, 4, 6 and last number 348, as we have to find the sum of even numbers between 1 and 350, therefore excluding 350. Now by using nth term of an arithmetic progression formula, tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, where n equals to number of terms, a is first term, d is common difference, and tn is nth terms. So we find the value of n. So we write here, we can find value of n by substituting all the values in the formula we get. So here tn, which is 348, so we replace tn by 348. This a is the first term which we No, T1 equals to A equals to 2. So we replace A by 2. This N we have to find, and this D common difference is 2. So we substitute all the values in this formula. So we calculate the values. We transfer these 2 to left hand side. So we get 348 minus 2, and in RHS we write these 2 in first position. So 2 into N minus 1. Now we calculate this. 348 minus 2 we get 346. So divide 346 by 2. So we write here N minus 1 is equal to 346 upon 2, which is 173. So we transfer this minus 1 to right hand side. So we get 173 plus 1, which is 174. So N equals to 174. Now we have to find this sum. So we write here, now by using the sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression, we will find its sum. Now we know the value of A, we know the value of N, we know the common difference. So we substitute all these values in this formula to calculate the sum. So we write here, N is the number of terms, A is the first term, D is the common difference, Sn is the sum of N terms. So we substitute given values in this formula to find value of Sn. So S 174 we have to find. So we replace this N in numerator as 174 upon 2 is equal to this 2 into A, that is 2 into 2, because value of A is 2. We replace this N by 174 minus 1 as it is into value of D, which is common difference, which is 2. So calculate this. 2 into 2 we get 4. 174 minus 1 we get 173, and these 2 as it is. Now multiply this 173 with 2, we get 346. Now we add this 346 with 4. So we get here 350. Now we divide this 350 by 2. We get 174 into 175. So we multiply these two terms. We get 30,415, which is the sum of first 174 even natural numbers. So this is our final answer.